Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store in OPPO Reno 8T. To do this, let's open our Google Play Store first. Here we want to find Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for. And now go back, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and enter settings. Here reveal family and enter parental controls. Now you can either disable them entirely or go for apps and games and increase Pegi to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back. Right here we can find the Call of Duty again, and as you can see it's on the top of the list and we can download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.